Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change alarm sound on your Amazon Echo Pop speaker. So first we have to go for the devices, then go for the Echo and Alexa, select our Echo Pop speaker, and right now we have to go for the alarm and the timers. It appears just right here. So let's open it. Here we have our alarm, so we have to go to the settings. And here we've got option to change the alarm sound. There it is. That's the list of the default alarms. We've got also option to go for the premium, where we can get, we can call it maybe custom sound. But I'm gonna skip it actually. And as you can see, to confirm the change, click here and tap save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, our alarm sound has changed. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.